I'm in the OG, bro. It's gonna bond now. It's 100% gonna bond now. The whoa! Let's go! Come on! That what really was. Jesus Christ. Waddles, bro. Yeah, I think it's...
that's like 30k market cap left. Got this.
What's up, boys? What's up, boys?
Nobody bothered.
Waiting for the supply vest, but Peanut, man. Peanut is going crazy right now for no reason, so... OG for sure is gonna go crazy, so... We're in this thing. What happened? That's crazy, bro. Oh, super clip. Entry? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, it was entry, bro. Waddles is, I don't know. Oh my god, it was, yeah. Damn, Kev just filled top.
Let's go.
Oh my days, it's Sunday. Oh my
Yo! Yo!
Wait.
Bro, my freaking chart is lagging so much, bro.
Yeah, my fucking blocks is size, bro. Oh my days.
Oh my god, I got the worst 25% on that though.
Oh my
Yo! 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 Dude, my bull X is so fucked right now, dude. I gotta. Jesus.
Did he like sell and rebuy and sell?
Yeah, he did. He rebought 5.
Bro, Red, me and you are clipping the exact same time, bro. You see this crap?
Hey, run, bro. We're flipping the other one.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done clipping. I'm done clipping. Yo. Wait, how much did... Alan, did you get in?
Bro, just look at chat.
Damn. Yeah, fuck it, bro. I'm out. I'll take 8 soul, though. Oh! Minute. Wait, am I not in it? Oh my god, why did I fill there? Yo! Yo, Qaunt's going crazy, bro. Alright, I'm buying. Come on! Migration, baby, come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Bro, what was that clip? What was that clip? Nice. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, all-time high, baby. All-time high. Hey, that was a W. That was a W clip, Lanes. Come on! Bro, I'm lagging so hard, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, I'm in this Lily one, bro. Who's Jalen sending? Wait, that one was a scam though. I died. Bro, I'm in the graduated one, bro. Fuck it. Come on.
Wait, you're not. Though.
Oh wait, am I in a different one?
You're on the one that's graduating right now, but there's OG that graduated yesterday, and also OG that like OG that haven't graduated yesterday.
Oh my god. God. Come on! Hey, it's still sending though. Wait. Yo! Yeah. Yeah. Yo.
Yeah, but there's many they hold. Also, like there's few of them. The one you're in, Alan, is older than the one that.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. Pedro was on. I'm in it, bro. Fill me, please. Yo, where did it fill me? Oh, I got a good fill. Pedro con sombrero.
Pedro con sombrero.
Come on. Come on. It's kind of floating. It's floating. Come on. Bro, it's so. Wait. Pedro's getting some motion, bro. People aren't selling. Pedro with sombrero. Oh my god, it's getting nuked. Yeah, it has volume. It has volume. Look. Here. Yeah. Oh, somebody's. Oh wait, it's getting motion, bro. It's getting motion. 20k entry. Alan just got in. Wait, 23k. Bro, I posted CA, bro. I posted CA in chat. Oh! So it's fucking Pedro with sombrero, bro. It's just some freaking cat, bro. Come on, it's Pedro, baby. Come on. That's the boy Pedro, bro. Come on. Bro, Alan already got out, bro. Come on, dude. Oh my god, Alan. Oh, that was a huge buy. Come on, Pedro. But people just gotta stop cheating, bro. Come on. Wait, which one? Oh my god. Got top blasted this, bro. Yo.
What do you use?
Come on, Pedro. Come on. I don't even see Sam, bro. Pedro's getting some motion. Come on. For what? Wait, why did that cat? Yeah, I don't know why that cat was that bomb. The first gay priest, Benjamin. The first gay priest. I'm sending. The first gay priest. I'm sending. Wait, what's Starlight? What's Starlight? Yo, this gay priest is kind of sending, yo. This gay priest is kind of sending. Oh my god, wait, I am holding 9%. I might need to clip a little bit. I'm gonna clip it. I'm gonna clip a 25. Okay, I'll clip another 25. Okay, I'll clip a 50, bro. Bro, I literally can't, bro. I keep selling and it keeps buying back up, bro. That's pretty good. The first gay priest is kind of good. Whoa. Q. I had too much of the supply, bro. I had to clip some, otherwise people wouldn't buy. If I'm holding 9%, people aren't gonna want to buy because then I could just freaking clip the whole chart. So now I only have 1%. Bro, I think, oh man, all right, this gay priest thing is dead, I think. Yeah, Q. Nah, I'm holding this. Which one? Frog with hat? Why did that bond? There's no way. There was a hella good frog with hat and it didn't fucking bond. No, gay priest, no. Bro, I believe in this gay priest, bro. I believe in him. Bro, give me entry, bro, in a minute, bro. Give me entry in a minute. Come on, bro. Give me entry in a minute, bro. This migrates. I'm in it, bro. I'm in it, bro. Come on. Memes are back, baby. Come on. The memes are back, baby. Come on. Yo! Yo, that was a huge clip. Wait. We got eaten up, though. Oh, that was the bundle. You're right. Yeah, that was bundle. That was entry right there, yeah. Yo! Oh my god. I'm getting pieced up in this, bro. Oh my god. Oh, wait, one day? The one day? Wait.
Bro, no, it's 3 months old.
Oh, I see it. I'm in it, bro. This is a different one? Oh my god. Actually, this might have bonded, bro. I freaking got out. Oh my god, I'm a top fill. Okay, get me out. That's enough. That's enough for me. I'm out, brother. 0.8. I'm trying to buy this Japanese vagina, bro. Kev just... It's at 21. Kev just bought... Why did... He didn't... Oh, Dev sold. Why was my fill so bad? Yo! And then Alan dumps on my head. Yo!
Look at how many people sell.
Yo! I don't know what my feet are. They're not low. Oh my god, I'm getting shit on, yo. Oh my god, Kev bought back. Come on. Dude, my PC is amazing, bro. Dude, I have freaking Qaunt PC, bro. Bro, I'm gonna take my L on this, bro. That crap sucks. I'm in it, bro. I'm in it, bro. Which one? Yo. Yeah, dude, we'll be up so much, bro. Holy. Damn. Oh my god, what is that clip? Why is that clipped on so hard? Alright, bro, whatever. Bonnie, what is this? World's biggest gangbang? Buy now, freaking check later? What is this, TikTok? Oh my god, I'm clicking it, bro. I'm clicking it. my god, wait! 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 Some bitch getting cummed off. Yo! Yo! Whoa! Wait, the cum one's gonna send? A minute just in case. So you don't think it's gonna send? Yo, the volume's getting kind of crazy. What was that? 8 soul buy? Oh, that's a 10 soul buy. Wait, whoa. In the cum farter? Oh. Yo, this cum farter one's actually going crazy right now with volume, at least. Out of nowhere. Oh my god, I'm out of this. Wait, Leroy Jenkins? What is this in? A minute? Oh, where'd I get filled? I filled 100k? I'll take that, it's not bad. Getting shit on? I'm in at 100, bro. Which one? Oh my god. I just feel like the name, I feel like for what happened is kind of fucked. You know what I mean? Yo! Yeah. Yeah, I think Leroy's sending, yeah. Maybe? Oh my god.
So cute.
There's no volume, bro. I'm just gonna take my dub.